Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film this video outside for you guys because it's very nice outside for once. It's not too hot, not too cold, it's just cool. So if you have not noticed that I have a coupon code with a promo code with Kimbyr Official, and I love her so much, and she sent me a nuckee and I bought a phone case. So if you use code Susie15 you get 50% off your purchase. I have it linked down below. And so my code does not work for nuckees, but yeah, just thought I would tell you guys so you don't come at me or something like saying how come my code doesn't work for nuckees. But it doesn't work for nuckees, it's only for Kimbyr Official, and I have her YouTube, her website and her Instagram linked down below, and also my code will be in the description box down below or on the screen somewhere. I don't know if I can put that on the screen for you guys, but I have this this neon pink phone case from her neon collection. Looks like this. It's really pink. I love it, and it works with any color phone that you have. And also if you have 11 Pro Max, it also works as well, but not this size. But yeah, she sent me this little card saying thank you and stuff, and it's really sweet. And this is the nuckee that she sent me. I love it so much, and I might put this one on here like that, or this one on here. I don't know, because it's like black and blue, so I know it's look cute. But this is the Love Spell one, and it comes with, you can get a phone case with this as well. It comes together like this, like the nuckee on the phone case. But if you don't want to do that, you can just buy the nuckee off Nuckees or on her website. I have the link down below. And so she did send me 11 Pro Max, but I have the iPhone XS Max, and it fits perfectly like so. So this is the neon purple jelly that she just launched. I'll have it linked down below, as also as the hot pink, the neon. So these are from the neon collection, and I obviously love neon, especially for summer. Obsessed. But yeah, I'll have these linked down below. And she also has now phone cases for Samsung or Galaxy, which is really cool that she has that. So she has Apple phone cases and also Android and Samsung phone cases as well. And I don't know if these two are in the Galaxy or Samsung. I'm not sure. You can have a link down below. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you use code Susie15 you get 15% off your order. It does not work on nuckees as well. It doesn't work on nuckees. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. And also comment down below if you like me filming outside, because it's getting cool out. Because nowadays it's getting cool out, it's not too hot. So yeah, comment down below. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next week with another video.